our convention where everybody gets together that wants to be, that is part of Chalk Couture with our uplines and all of our friends from all over the United States and Canada. And so I had a great few days with them in Kansas City, Missouri. I was really excited about that. So anyway, I am here tonight to share with you. We are going to do this transfer tonight, and let's see, I think you can read that a little better like that, so there's no glare. And this is called Those We Love. And so I thought this would be just kind of nice. I love this saying, and it says, those we love don't go away, they walk beside us every day. Unseen, unheard, but always near, still loved, still missed, and very dear. Brings tears to my eyes. And so I'm pretty excited about this. So what I'm going to do is I am going to click on that for a second, and I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to get my fuzzing cloth out, and I'm going to get ready. We always fuzz our transfer, our stencil anymore, but you can use it up to 12 times, and at Christmas time I have been known to take my favorite transfer and I've used it almost 30 times. So you guys, it just depends on how you take care of it and how it rolls, and you can use either side of this. This is the terry cloth side, okay? The terry cloth side is the one that you want to do the fuzzing on, and inside of our fuzzing cloth is a softer side, and you can use that when you're washing your transfer and you want to use it over and over again. Okay, so I'm almost done here. I'm going to set this over here, and I'm going to bring up our surface. Now our surface tonight is a found surface, and this is what I have found, and I probably found it at Hobby Lobby or something like that. And so what I did is I want to do this in kind of some pinks and some colors like that, and I wanted to cover, this was bare wood up here. I'm just going to hold that there for a minute. A minute. Okay. Alright, I think that's pretty golden. Okay. And then I have another little thing that I'm going to do. I just want to take a little bit of this. This is, what is this called? Raffia. Okay, it's already curly, so I'm going to just cut this in a few strips. And I'm just going to cut a couple strips here. And a strip there. And a couple more. Whoops! Boy, I just flung that across there, didn't I? Okay, and then I'm just cutting a few strips in my own mind, just what I think is kind of nice. And the first ones were a little bit longer, and so I'm just going to put these all together, and I'm just going to make a little, like, kind of a bow, but it's not really a bow, but it is. And I'm just going to put it together like that. I'm going to take another piece.